Good morning. Okay, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our CAP Business Opportunity presentation. My name is Ron Capua, and I will be your speaker for 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to show you the best comp plan in the world. All right, and if you have any questions, I will allow you to raise your questions after my presentation. But we have a policy right now that when I'm start to present this opportunity, I want you to mute your microphones, and if I'm gonna ask you something, you can unmute your microphone so that we can hear you. All right, but during my presentation, please do not talk to avoid removing of um, your your uh, your name in this presentation. All right, so I will begin now. All right, so I wanna mention all your names here, but you have we have we will take a lot of time to um, shout all your names. So please, maybe later I will I will recognize all your names. All right, but today, right now, I'm going to start this presentation. All right, so this is very exciting. All right, congratulations, everyone. Congratulations um, to all of us for having for adding this new program of friendship. We have 21 IPP that helps a lot of people, make a lot of money this year. All right, we are not um we are not going to stop the 21 IPP. No, that is our program forever. Okay, we just added new program, which is the CAP, the Car Opportunity Program, to our as one of our you know program to give you an additional earnings to earn money. All right, and help you save money to buy your new cars. Wow, I said cars. It means that you will not buy one only, but two or three or four later on. All right, are you excited, guys? Let me hear if you guys are excited. Hold on. Let me unmute your microphone. Okay, now you can unmute your microphone and say something. Are you excited?
Yes,
Yes, we're
very
excited.
excited.
Very good. Very good. All right. Okay.
Mute.
Okay, so mute your
Ikaw di
microphone
sana.
now.
Kasi,
Mute your
ikaw na.
microphone now.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, mute your microphone. All right. So, who among you here would like to buy your new car in 3 months or 6 months from now? Who among you would like to have or to drive your new car? I know all of you, right? And if you already have a car right now, maybe you want to buy your new motorcycle. Wow, your new motorcycle. And some of you are dreaming. Some of you are dreaming to have or to buy your fishing boat. Wow. You want to buy those vehicles, guys? Okay? You want that? All right, hold on. Do you have a tongue, or you can unmute your microphone? All right. So of course, everyone are dreaming to have a new car, to have a new motorcycle, and to buy your own boat. Because I heard that in Solomon Islands, many of you are dreaming those to buy a new vehicles, or to buy a new car, or to 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 buy this fishing boat. All right. And good news, all of this, you can buy this in 3 months to 6 months to a year from now. Wow. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations to Laura. Is Laura there? Laura? Can you unmute your microphone, Laura? Are you there? Congratulations. Because
I'm here. Thank you, Ron. I'm here.
oh, very good. Before launching, she she have more than 60 members before we start this this launching last October 31st. Congratulations, Laura. Okay, very good. And also Jane Amo, she have more than 40 members fade before the October 31st. Wow, that's a very good job. Congratulations, Jane Amo. And also, I would like to thank Richard Sala, and I maybe I forgot to insert the the poster for Veronica. Is Veronica there? Unmute your microphone, Veronica.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, very good, Veronica. Oh, Veronica, we always talk every day, almost. Okay? So thank you for Richard. Are you there, Richard? Richard Sala. And congratulations for having uh, 158, more than 158 CAP members before the launching. Wow, that's extraordinary. And also, again, Miss Lisa Palabi. Whoa, 200 plus. And she always um, registered new members every day in CAP plan. Almost 10, 20, 30, 40 every day. That's excellent and outstanding performance. All right, so let's go straight to the point. How to earn in CAP pairing every day. Okay, so if you why some of those people are not earnings, or not yet successful in doing this, in doing networking, because they lack to me they lack of knowledge. All right, if you understand how to explain and how to make money, you can easily convince people. You can easily convince people. Am I right? But if you cannot understand how you can earn money, how can you convince people? If they tell you, oh, it's hard, it's difficult to make money in friendship, how can you answer that? Because you don't understand, you will say, yeah, it's really hard. So no, this is the easiest business in the world. All right, this is the easiest business in the world. For me, it's very easy to find two people and convince those people to join the 21 IPP. It's easy to convince them to join 41 IPP, 41 Kaplan. And I will show you how to explain it properly. Here, do you know anybody who wanted to who are dreaming to buy a brand new car? Let me ask you, can you register one person on the left? Can you find a leader? All you have to do is to find a leader, to find like you, to find like me. Can you find a person, one person, and register them on your left in one day, or in 1 week, or in 1 month? But not 1 year, my friend. Do not join. If you can register one person in 1 year, do not join. Okay? Can you find one person and register to your left, Babylin? Ma'am Babylin? Can you do that?
Opo.
Yes, right? Yes, right, Babylin? Not opo. Right? B?
Yes.
Very good. How about another one on your right? Veronica, can you find one person and register on your right in 1 day, 2 days, or let's say 1 week? Veronica. Right? And once you have one on your left and one on your right, congratulations. Ta-da! You will get paid and automatically $20, 20 US dollars. Wow. So, if you paid $41, man, for just two persons, one register on your left and one register on your right, you already recovered the half of your membership. Wow. And let me ask you again, Babylin. Is this one person on your left can register? Do they have friends also? Babylin, they have two friends?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
They can register two persons also. Not only you have two friends. Everybody have 10 friends, 50 friends, 100 friends. If you are 30 years old already right now, based on survey and statistic, you have like 30 friends already. 30 friends. If you are 40 years old, you have more than 50 knowns, 50 names You know 50 persons already. Don't tell me those 50 persons will not join you. Okay? Maybe you are a liar. Okay? Maybe you're not a nice person, huh? Because those 50 don't want to join you. That's why do not join in other company. When there's a new one, oh, let's join. We have a new company. Join. And then everybody join. Hey, there's another new company. Let's join. Oh, there's another new company. Let's join. Oh, people will not believe you next time. Okay? That's why don't like that. Don't be like that. Or else people will not believe you anymore. Okay? So in other words, this person on your left can register too. And this one person on your right, Babylin, can also register two friends also, Babylin?
Yes.
Of course. Ta-da! Congratulations, you have $40. Wow! So how much is your total? How much the total that you earned already, Babylin? On first week and second week? How much? 40 and 20. How much that?
60.
60.
$60. Okay, you quit now because you already recovered your $41 and you earn already $20 for just 6 person. Come on. This very easy business. Where's the difficult there? Tell me. Where's the difficult? My goodness, if you cannot register 6 persons, do not blame me. Maybe you're a liar when you are a child. Just kidding. But that's true. All right? For just 3 pairs, you're already making $60. And the good news there is you will not stop registering people because you don't have 2 people only. You have a lot of people only. But if you have left, 1 person on your left, 1 person on your right, all you have to do is to spill over people that you are going to register on your left, and you will spill over under your right, because the binary required only 1 left and 1 right. Wow! So, if these people on your left is your enemy, you have no choice. You will give them people under them. That's what you call spillover. Wow! And those people that lazy, congratulations, you have a chance to add more, to have more people because of the spillover. But if you want to make money for sure, do not depend or rely on spillover. You need to work hard. In other words, when you wake up tomorrow, you have another 4 on your left from the 2 people here, and from these 2 people on your right, if they register 2 each, you have another 4, and the system will detect that, and the cutoff period is 11:59 p.m. New York time, and the system will pay you 4 pairs. Wow! Times $20, that's $80. You don't know these people anymore. And these 4 people here on your left can register too. I am not adding those new 2 people from these people. register on the week 2, and I am not adding your new recruit on week 3. These 4 people on the left came from the people on week 2 only, and you get paid 4 pairs. And these people on the week 3, these 4 will register their 2 each. Wow! So you have another 8 on your left, and these 4 people register in 1 day, in 2 days, in 3 days, in 4 days, or in 1 week. You have another 8 pairs in week 4. That is why I told you this is the easiest business. My goodness gracious. And this week, and these people on your week 4, they can register 2 also. So you have another 16 on your left, and these people on these 8 people on your week 4 register 2 persons again. You have another 16. So 16 and 16. How many pairs that, Baby Lynn? 16 and 16.
32.
No, pairs. Pares. How many pairs that?
16.
16 pairs. Wow. So for every 1 pair, how much? 20.
Then
So 16.
$20.
Very good. 16 pairs times 20, that's 320. Wow. Remember, you already recovered your 41 membership on week 2 already. Wow. This is very good business. Whew. In other company, you need to invest. You need to invest $1,000, $2,000. They're going to promise you, hey, we will pay you interest every month. But after 2 months, after 3 months, they will disappear.
True.
They will disappear. Man,
Huh?
there's no shortcut to success.
Thank you,
Don't believe-
CEO.
Don't believe from those company, please. I've been in this industry for almost 30 years. I never seen a company that lasts, that promising, investment. No. But here, I am not telling you to invest. I am telling you to pay your membership of $41 one time, and you can earn this earning potential. Come on. There is no product. There is no product to buy every day. There is no requirements every month. As long as you have 1 pair, the system will pay you 20, 20, 20. You have 1 new pair again, 20. You have 1 new pair again, 20. You have 1 new pair again, 20. You have 4 pairs, $80. You have 8 pairs a day, $160. Oh, wow. And if these 16 people on week 5 register 2 each, taran! You have 32 on your left, you have 32 on your right. So if you have 32 pairs, you have $640. Amazing. Amazing opportunity, isn't it? Wow. Okay, Baby Lynn, I have a question. Don't do this opportunity. Oh, Laura, unmute your microphone, Laura. Unmute your microphone. Are you there, Laura? Laura or Veronica, are you there? Unmute your microphone.
Yes.
Okay. Do not join 41 Cup. Do not join. Tell me an opportunity that I can make $40 at least one day, or $40 at least weekly, or $80 every week on $160 by just paying 41. Do you have any other company that offers you like this?
No.
No. No. Only friendship. Wow. Thank you so much, Laura. And on week 4, on week 5, I mean in week 7, if this 32 registered 2 each, you have another 64 new people on your left. And if you have another 64 on your right, that's 64 pairs. In 1 month or in 1 week, you have 64 pairs times 20. How much that? $1,280. Do you
Wow.
understand that? $1,280. If you have another 64 pairs. Remember, you already earned 640 on week 6. You earn $320 last week 5. I am talking about week 7. Did you pay every month? Did I require you to pay every month? Laura, tell me.
Oh.
Did you pay every month?
Yes.
No. You don't pay every month. Right? You did not pay every month. But you earn every time you have pairing bonus. Wow. On week 8, if you have another 128 here, or in 1 month, another 128 here, or you accumulated 128 total, you have 128 pairs times 20, $2,500 US. If you have in 9 months, you have 256 pairs. That's I'm sorry, I made a mistake here on week 9. On week 10, if you have 512 pairs times 20, that's 10,240. And if you have 1,000 total pairing of 1,024, you have 20,000 US. And if you have 2,000 pairs times 20, that's 40,960. Wow. You have this opportunity for just $41. Are you excited, guys? Whoa. Are you guys excited? Rian, are you excited? Unmute your microphone, Rian. Yes. He said yes. Polly said yes. Whoa. This is what you are
Yes,
going to
sir.
earn. What?
Yes, sir. Excited.
Oh, thank you, Rian. This is what you are going to earn by doing the 41 Cup program. I made it double earnings from the 21. But if your customer already have only $21 in their pocket, let them join in 21 IPP. But let them understand that if they join the 41 Cup, instead of $10 in Cup, they will pay $20. Excuse me. Do you understand that? Wow. Now, aside from pairing bonus, I will give you another earnings. Wow, another earnings by selling e-pins. By selling e-pins. Whoa. You can sell 21 IPP if you
Ura,
have
sanya
money
tado
on
labi
your...
ko na niya sige.
Okay, can you unmute your microphone? Who are that? Let me remove you. Okay, you don't know how to mute your microphone. Tere, I'm warning you. Okay, if you are the one who are or PT, please mute your microphone or else you will be removed here. Okay, now you can sell e-pins if you have money on your e-wallet. And every time you have one e-pin, you can earn from $5 to $10. In other words, if you sell one e-pin, you make another $10. Because if you are going to sell it, some of you added $10, $8, $7. If you're gonna sell it to your members, you can say you can add the 41 and plus 10. So 41 plus 10 or $51. It's up to you. All right, but you can earn by selling one e-pin from $5. But do not add 20. Do not add $15, please. Okay, do not hold up your people in Solomon. Okay, do not hold up them. Okay, $5 to $10 is fine. Okay, so in other words, if you sell one e-pin to your new member, you sell it for $50, you earn another $10, so that's $83. Wow! Aside from your pairing, if you sell 10 e-pins, 10 e-pins, you earn $100. Wow! If you sell 100 e-pins or 100, if you have 100 new members on your organization and they want to buy e-pins but they don't have Visa card, they cannot send money to MoneyGram or on my GCash, you can accept their payment. But those new members, you need to ask them your new account in 24 hours. Because if you did not receiving your account in F Mobile, it means that person that you already given your money are not paying me. So please report it to me immediately. Report it to me. Hey, Sir Ron, I paid to this person, but I never received my account. I will suspend that person who got your money and block his or her account. Okay, please, you need to remit to my account. That's not your money. That's not your money. Please, that's not your money. That's our company money. Okay, so please, I'm giving you to earn $10. I'm giving you to earn every pair, but I'm not giving. But do not use my company to scam people. Okay, I'm very, very kind person. I'm allowing you to earn a lot of money, but do not use me. Do not use my company to scam people and get the people money, and you will not give it to me. Please report it to me immediately. And if you sell 1,000 e-pins, it means that you have 1,000 people joining on your team, and if you're the one who sell those e-pins, you get $10 each. You have 10,000. Wow. US dollars. And that's 83,000 in SBD money by selling e-pins alone. Wow. Oh, if you have 2,000, you can also sell e-pins to other members. Okay? And you can use your money on your 21 IPP. You can buy 21 IPP e-pins. You can buy 41 IPP e-pins. What else do you want, guys? I'm giving you everything. Tell me. No company will give you this kind of opportunity. No. That's why you focus. You focus. All right? My goodness. If I were in your shoes, I will become millionaire in F Mobile in just 3 months. If I am the one in your shoes. But if you are not honest, and once people reported to me that they paid you and you don't remit it to me in 24 hours, I will terminate your account. Because I'm giving you everything, man. I'm giving you trust. I gave you all my trust. But please, do not steal money from me. Do not steal two ipins. Do not steal $300 because once I caught you, you will not be a member anymore, and you lost this opportunity to earn a lot of money. Okay, please. Who? Are you excited? You can make money on pairing, and you can sell ipins 21 IPP or 41 IPP. You can buy, you can sell it and earn. You can add $5 if that is your friend. Just add $5. If that is your sister, just add $2 or $10. It's up to you. But if that is your crush, don't add don't add anything because you need to say yes to you. Okay? So if you crush example Rian, don't sell Rian $48 cup ipin, ha? Only 41, no? 44. Okay? So, very exciting, right? Are you excited, guys? Are you excited, Thomas? Thomas, are you excited? Unmute your microphone. Are you excited? Guys, if you want to earn money, you need to learn how to unmute and mute your microphone in Zoom. Okay, please. Angela, are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited, my CEO.
Very good. Very good. Wow. So you can make, by selling ipins, using your e-wallet in 21 IPP or using your e-wallet in 41 cap, you can sell 21 IPP, you can sell 41 IPP. And we are available to 85 countries. Let's give everybody a big hand. Do not focus in Solomon only. You can recruit in Australia. You can recruit 2 friends in China. You can recruit 2 friends in the Philippines. You can recruit friends in Lebanon. You can recruit 2 friends in Hong Kong. You can recruit 2 friends in Saudi Arabia. Not only in Solomon. All right? Wow. Now, I will teach you how to use your dashboard. Imagine, no? I will use the example of Lisa. Can you imagine 3,400 join on Lisa's left in 21 IPP and 2,000, 21,000 on right. How do you read your numbers here? All you have to do is to put your cursor on your icon, on your username account. on your name. Put your cursor there, and once you put your cursor there, you will see this 3,456 is your total. Is your total points, not your pairs. The people join total on your left, and this right is your total. Your total right join on your right. But this is not your paired. You will see your pairing bonus or your carry points. Your carry points here. Always check here. How many points on my left? How many points on my right? Oh, how many points on my right? So this is where you will check every day. Not here. Not here. You will check here every day. Okay? By clicking your icon here, by putting the cursor on your name, and you will see this points. And always check how many points do I have on my left and how many points do I have on my right. Do not rely only here. No, 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 no. Only here. All right? Only here. Now, how we have maximum pairs every day. All right? And we have plus out every day. Because without these 6 pairs, maximum payout per one head, and without this plus out, we are making I'm cheating you guys. I cannot pay you if there is no 6 pairs max per day. I cannot pay commission in 3 months only. I will close this company. But because there is a safety net, we have safety net every day. I will make you earn $120 every day per one account. If you have 2 accounts, if you have 2 accounts, 2 head accounts, I will allow you to make $240. So one head, 120. If you have 2 heads, another 120, 240. If you have 3 head accounts, 3 heads, 120 per head times 3, $360. If you have 7 heads, 7 headers that earns pairing bonus every day times 120, that's $840 every day. So, but I will allow you only, I can only pay you $120 every day per one head account. Example, let's see how it works. All right. If you have 1 on your left and 1 on your right, how many pairs do you have? 1 pair, right? If on Tuesday example, no, you have no new members sign up on your left. How much is your pair? No bonus, of course, because you have no pairs, right? On Wednesday, if you have 3 people here on your left and 2 on your right, how many pairs do you have? Not 3, only 2.
2.
Because 2, 3 and 2, 2 pairs, right? And the 1 point on your left will be carried forward on Thursday. Will be carried forward on Thursday. On your right, there's no carry forward, right? So if that will be your points, you have 1 point on left and no point on right, no bonus, right? But on Friday, if you have another 6 point here on right and 6 point here on left and 6 point on right, you have another 6 pairs, right? So you have 6 pairs, that's 120. All right. And on Saturday, if you have no points here, you have no points here, of course you have no bonus. All right. Do you understand it? Okay. Don't ask me where's my bonus. Okay. Oh my God, don't join us. All right, please. Okay? On Sunday, if you have 7 points on your left and 10 points on your right, how many pairs I will pay you? 6 pairs only.
Six.
Because the maximum is 6 pairs.
Six
Do you
pairs.
on Monday, you have no carry forward. You got plus out. The 1 point here on your left, plus out. The 4 points here on your right, plus out. Man, please make me earn. Don't be greedy. Don't 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 you don't need to earn alone. You need to earn me also, because if there is no plus out, how can I earn? You want you don't have you want no plus out? Put a company, I'll join to you. Okay. If you don't want a plus out and no maximum pairs, I'll join you. I'll pay $100, not 41. I'll pay $100. Okay, because your company have no maximum pairs per day and your company have no plus out. I'll join you. I'll join you. I'll pay you 200. I'll pay you 200. But guys, there's no company that can afford to pay you pairing bonus every day if there's no maximum. Come on. Okay? If I'm going to cheat you and disappear after 6 months, I will lie to you. Hey, come here. No maximum pairs every day. No plus out. But after 3 months, you will not see me anymore. You want that? No. Guys, look. On Monday, on Tuesday, you have another 20 points here. And then on your right, you have 4 points. How many pairs do you have, Babylin? 25 and 4. How many pairs?
4 pairs.
4 pairs. You have another $80. Remember, you already make 20 on Tuesday. On Monday, you have already earned Wednesday $40. On Friday, you made $120. On Sunday, you have $120 here. And on Sunday, you made $120 here. Man, you don't pay any more. But there is a reactivation fee. When you reach 20 pairs, you need to reactivate your account. And everybody can make money again and again. Again and again. From those people who joined last week, from those people who joined last 2 months ago, once they reactivated, you will earn again and again and again. Wow. So there's no stopping of earnings. Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So you will not only earn one time from Rian. You will not earn one time from Laura. You will earn 2 times when Laura reactivated after he earned 20 pairs. He will reactivate again. You will earn again. If Laura is your downline, you will earn again to Laura. If your downline is Veronica, every time she reached 20 pairs, you will earn again to Veronica. If your downline is Lisa, every time Lisa reactivated, every time he made $400, that's 20 pairs, you make pairing again, pairing again, pairing again, pairing again, pairing again, pairing again for life. Whoa. And your reactivation will be deducted on your commission, not on your packet anymore. You will only pay one time on your packet. But after that, you will not pay anymore from your packet. You will earn from this program. And if you reactivate it, you will pay from your e-wallet. Let's give everybody a big hands. Whoa! What a plan. What a plan. Let's continue. Example, Tuesday, you have 25 points here, so you have 4 pairs. On Wednesday, you have carry points, right? Because on Tuesday, they only paid you 4 pairs, so you have 21 carry points. So you don't have plus out, right? And if you have another new sign up on left, you have 21 and 5, so you have 5 pairs, right? You get $100. And because you did not reach 6 pairs, you did not plus out another carry forward. You're 16 points here. Wow. And if you have new sign up, 6 sign up, because you have 16 points from your old members, the new 6 people sign up on rate will be paired to 16 that carry forward on Wednesday. So you have 6 pairs again, $120 again. And if you have, so your 10 points here, your 10 will be carried forward on Friday. And if you have another 6 new sign up here, another $120 here on Friday. And on Saturday, you have no carry forward because it's already plus up. Just don't be greedy. You made already 120 on Friday, and you already earned 120 on Thursday. You already earned $100 on Wednesday. Let me earn also. Don't be greedy. Okay? If you plus up, don't be discouraged. Come on. You have to give me also earnings. Right, Babylin? Am I right? Is it fair?
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Come on. All right? And the good news is every day you will earn. On Sunday, you have another 6 new sign up on Sunday. Another, example, 6 on your right. So you have 6 pairs. Another $120. I'm talking about your earnings in one account, okay? In one account. This is only one account. How much more if you have 3 accounts? 5 accounts. Wow. So if you have Monday, you have 100 points here and 10 on your right. How many pairs do you have, Babylin? 110. 100 on left, 10 on right. How many pairs?
10.
6 pairs. 6
Ay!
pairs. Maybe sasabunutan kita. 6 pairs, right? All right. Or maybe Babylin checking me if I understand. Yeah, 6 pairs.
Sorry,
Babylin, I
sorry.
understand. Yeah. So 6 pairs. So on Tuesday, is there a carry forward? No, because the 100 will be, the 94 will not carry forward on Tuesday, and the 2% will not carry forward on Tuesday. Come on, let me earn because I need to pay all your uplines. All right, and on Wednesday you have another 6 points, another 6 points. That's 120 pairs. My goodness. Okay, how much did you earn? Oh my gosh, can you imagine how much? Baby, how much you paid only for this? How much? To earn this?
$41.
$41 only. But last Monday, you earn 120. Last Sunday, you earn 120. Last Friday, you earn 120. Last Thursday, you earn 120. Last Wednesday, you have 100. Come on! This is very
Too
exciting.
good.
Come on! Wow, this is the easiest comp plan in the world that will not scam you. Earning $120 a day is enough. Is enough. That's a lot of money. You are like a nurse in the Philippines, or you are like a nurse in America. And the crazy about here, you only pay $41 one time from your pocket. Think, 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 think. Wow. So guys, this will be your earnings every time you have one pair, $20. $20. If you have two pairs, $40. If you have four pairs, $80. This is your chance to get rich. This is your chance to get rich. For only 41 US dollars. Thank you very much, guys. We're done. Let's give everybody a round of applause. All right? Amazing, amazing, amazing plan. And how can you buy a car? Every time you have four cycle, you save money. You save $20 every time you have four cycle. But that's your money. That's your money. If you have enough money on your product voucher that you can buy a motorcycle, I will give me the dealer in your country or in the Philippines. I will wire transfer the money to that dealer and pick up your car, pick up your motorcycle, and pick up your boat. I'll wire transfer it to them. We're done. Now you can ask questions in in 10 minutes before I end this opportunity. All right? But if you're going to ask me your email, I will answer it in 5 hours. Let me sleep again, okay? Let me sleep again because it's only 4 a.m. here. 4 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning, okay? Be considerate, okay? Please. You need to wait. When you order, Babylin, are you there, Babylin?
Yes.
If you order in Amazon online, how many days you will receive your order?
Between 3 to 7 days.
7 days. But here in F Mobile, when you pay your 41, you will receive your e-pin. When I wake up in after 8 hours, you need to wait. You need to wait or less than 24 hours. Let me rest. Where's my e-pin? Where's my e-pin? Follow up my e-pin. Oh, please, don't give me stress. Okay, for just $41. Okay, I don't need your $41, but I'm here to help you. But let's be considerate. Okay, I will not scam you. Okay, you need to relax. If you have any issue, you need to let me know. Let me know, and I will resolve it. I will resolve it. Do you understand? Okay. If you have doubt, oh, why I have only like this pair, let me know. I will. Let's schedule a Zoom, and I'll show you why. All right. Uh, the good thing here, you have peace of mind because I will not destroy my name with $200. I will not cheat you $200. I will not destroy my name. I will not destroy my name. For just $500, $1,000, $2,000, I will pay you. Okay? No one will tell me here that I did not pay their commission. Okay? I paid all of them commission. But you need to wait. I need your transaction password. I need your password. How can I pay you if you don't give me your information? Come on, man. All right? But you need to wait. Look. You have, when you join to my company and you are hardworking like Lisa, it's easy to make 20,000 US dollars. Ask Lisa. Ask Lisa. This is your chance to become rich. This is your chance to buy your dream car. Or you buy a second-hand car. And then later on, after 1 year, you buy a new car again. This is your chance to make a lot of money. This is your chance to make this much of money. Look. Come on. This is your chance to make all of this. This is your chance to earn all of this. In 1 day, in 1 week, or in 1 month. But you need to take care of your people. There is no person become successful that they lied to people. Be honest here. Be honest here. Earning $20 per pair and earnings $10 for every selling of Ipin for one person, that's a very big opportunity for you. But be honest. Don't lie, people. If you want to continue earnings for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you need to be honest. Like me. Okay? You are lucky because we are talking about $41, $21 IPP, or $4.99 only. But don't cheat people. Please. If you cheat 100 people, okay, let's say, if you cheat 100 people, hold on. If you cheat 100 people, how much is 100 times 41 or 45? You make 4,500. After that 4,500, that's the end of your membership. You cannot become rich for just 4,500. But if you don't lie, if you continue to be honest to your people, you can make 4,500 again, 4,500 again, 4,500 again and again and again. So do long term, not one time. If you lie, people, you can earn one time only. You earn 4,500 by lying, by getting the money from the company. But once I caught you, that's the end of your career. Let's be honest, okay, to each of us. All right. So once they pay you, remit it to me. Remit it to me. That's not your money. That's not your money. That's not your money. You are lucky I give you $10 for each Ipin. I give you $10 for each Ipin. I pay you $20 for every pair. Let's love this business. Let's help me taking care of this opportunity. Okay? Let's do long term, not 2 months, not 3 months, not 4 months, long term. All right? So guys, any question? If you have any question, put in your chat box. All right? All right? So I think you have no question because I already explained everything to you guys. Okay? And remember, all right? You can earn by if you have an e-wallet, you can buy, if you have example $20 on your e-wallet and you need to buy Ipin, send me $4. If you have $20 in e-wallet, send me $4. I'll give you one Ipin. Do you understand that? Wow. Very good opportunity. Imagine how many people, how many ipins that Lisa sold already. How much? How many? Tell me. Remember, how many people, Babylin, how many people joined on right of Lisa? How many people?
21,324.
Oh my gosh. How much again?
21,324.
Oh my goodness. Example, if 21,000, let's say 10,000 na lang. 10,000, not 21. 10,000. You sold one each ipin times 10. How much? Bibilin? How much you're going to earn?
$100,000.
And that's US dollars, right?
Yes.
You know how much is that in Solomon? Let me compute. 100,000 US dollars in Solomon Island is $849,766 as of the dollar rate today. How much did you pay, Bibilin? Bibilin, how much did you pay?
$21.
If you join in 21. But in cap, how much did you pay?
$41.
That's the end of this conversation. This opportunity is crazy. Come on, wake up. Let's do business. Let's all be honest. Because you cannot find a company like my company that you can allow to sell ipins and make another earnings. Come on. But if you lied to people, if you're not an honest, you will earn in 3 months. But after 3 months, a lot of people complain, hey, where's my payment? Why did you not give me my account? No one will join you. You lost the opportunity. But look at Lisa Palabi. Look at Lisa Palabi. People trusting him, trusting her. So let's do this with all honesty. Come on. Don't cheat me. Don't cheat people. Don't cheat me. Because it will give you short-term earnings. But if you are honest, be contented. Be contented to earn $20 every period. $20, $20, $400. Be contented to earn $10 for every one ipin. $2, $20 for 2 ipins. $30. Be honest. And you will be surprised. Without you knowing, you have thousands of dollars in your bank account. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you very